My dearest child, it will happen when things line up. You are being prepared for it. Let things play out. Follow the signs and start being more consistent with your growth. Trust in what's happening. It's about to be a movie. How things are going to play out for you. Type yes if you agree. Your path is being cleared now. All blocks are officially removed. It is only upwards from here for you. You are going to be experiencing an unstoppable acceleration. This is your time to start receiving. Type yes if you believe. Huge things are not too far off of your life, and it's vital for you to express what you see and feel. Some of your biggest decisions are happening in this chapter of your life. Type yes if you believe. If you saw how beautiful your future is about to get, you would have trouble believing it. The belief you have in yourself is unblocking so many doors. You have taken so many leaps of faith towards achieving your dreams that are all paying off in mysterious ways. The path ahead of you is filled with miracles and beautiful synchronicities. Practice detachment from controlling outcomes. Enjoy the process. Type yes if you agree. And also subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.